Earth is the third closest planet to the Sun. It is the only planet we have found that contains life.
Why is Earth the only planet having life on it?
Earth is at an adequate distance from the Sun, which gives us heat that is neither too hot nor too cold. Earth has enough amount of water, food, and air for the survival of living organisms. Earth has a protective ozone layer which protects us from the harmful rays.
Ma'am,
Yes, kiddo.
what is the meaning of sustainability?
Sustainability is ability to maintain or support a process over time. Earth has both living and non-living things. It is the only place in this vast universe which has this combination. Earth has enormous organisms like elephants on land, whales swimming in the oceans, and microscopic organisms, bacteria, and viruses.
What are microscopic organisms?
Microorganisms are living things that are too small to be seen with the naked eye. It means they can only be seen through a microscope.
What does the naked eye mean?
Naked eye. An eye without any aid means without a telescope, microscope, or any other instrument. Now, as you know that sun's heat and light are responsible for sustainability of life on Earth. Let's explore more. Directly or indirectly, all the living things depend on plants because plants are the only living things that produce their own food and are a source of energy for all living things on Earth. This could be possible only because of the sun's energy used by the plants in the process of photosynthesis. What would happen to our Earth if there is no sun? Without the sun, Earth's land, water, and air would all be frozen solid. Life on Earth would cease to exist. That's because almost all living things rely on the steady light and heat of the sun. The sun's heat makes liquid water on our planet possible. What do you think? Can humans survive on Earth without sun? Comment below. Now imagine a world without plants. What would happen to all living things? Do we have oxygen to breathe? Yes or no?
No.
Do herbivores, plant eaters, get food?
No.
What do carnivores eat if there are no more herbivores left? Comment if you know the answer. Now it's your turn. What have you learned? Do share with us. What do you know about the distance of Earth and the Sun? Comment below. What's your genius mind is thinking now?
Ma'am, it means we cannot sustain without the sun, am I right?
Yes. You are right. The heat and light of the sun helps to sustain life on Earth. What is the main source of energy on Earth?
The sun.
Well done.
Plants can only perform the process of photosynthesis in the presence of sunlight. Animals do not get energy directly from the sun, but they eat plants that do. So now it must be clear that plants are directly dependent on the sun and other living things are indirectly dependent on the sun. No living things can survive on Earth without sun. How do photosynthesis be helpful for all living things? Think and comment if you know the answer.